here we go. So today in this webinar, I want to talk about something that really works well at Christmas, and that is personalized products, okay? Personalized products, what I mean, or customizable products. In other words, people can put their own custom text on these products, okay? So let me jump to Custom Cat. Custom Cat's the one I'm recommending for these, but there's other print-on-demand suppliers that can do that as well. T-Launch can do it, and a couple other ones can do it as well. So you don't necessarily have to use Custom Cat, but I'm using Custom Cat as the example on this webinar. Okay, if you jump over to Custom Cat, you're going to see, if you go to Product Catalog here, you guys can see my screen. You got Custom Cat here. Can you confirm that?
Yep, we can see it, buddy. We can see it.
Good. All right, awesome. Okay. You're going to see they have 3 different types of products, okay, on the left here. Direct to garment, okay. Another type is sublimation and embroidery, okay. Now, you'll see here I wrote the type of products you can do with Custom Cat, you can do personalized custom text, are direct to garment and sublimation, okay. Now, we're going to show you some examples of what type of products they are. But one people have always asked the question, well, why not embroidery? And let's answer that question here quickly. So we'll go here and we'll put hats. Okay. So with embroidery products, right? So this is like a sewing machine, right? Embroidery products use a sewing machine to sew in the design. Okay. There is a built-in cost. A digitalization cost. It's actually quite expensive. It's like $3 or something like that for every new design that comes through the system. Now, Custom Cat sends a lot of stuff to the system, so they've worked out a special way to do it with the people who help them. They bought a big machine that'll cut that down. So a lot of people outsource that, right? But they do it in-house, and they get it down to like $1 a design. But the point is, for every design that goes through their system, Custom Cat is actually eating $1. They're actually losing money. If you load an embroidery product, right, they're actually losing money the moment you load that, and they're not charging us for that, which is another thing that Custom Cat is great. And they're just taking all the risks because they're assuming that of the 10 hats or 20 hats that come out and get in their system, right, or dress shirts or blankets or whatever, 1 or 2 are going to take off, and they're going to make their money back, and they're going to eat that $20 loss, and they're going to make the money back from the other products, okay? So that makes personalization for these type of products quite difficult, right? Because they're already losing money when we load any products if we start personalizing each individual product, right? So let's say I had a hat that said here, I love my dog, and that instead of saying I love my dog, it says Dave loves his dog, Jim loves his dog, Bill loves his dog. Well, that's a digitalization fee for every single product that is launched embroidery. Hence, they're not doing it. They're not offering that service. And a lot of people always ask, why don't they do that? Well, that's the truth why. I mean, they don't say it straight out, but I'm very close with Custom Cat. I know the situation, and they told me straight out that's why. It just doesn't make economic sense for them, okay? Considering they're already losing money every time we launch an embroidery design anyway, okay? So embroidery is off the table, but what is on the table is direct to garment. So for example, all these shirts, right? And they've got some cool, unique shirts, guys. One thing that the people make a mistake here is that they stick to the standard flare shirts that people like, the standard tee, the standard hoodie, and so on and so forth. Custom Cat has got tons. I don't know why my internet's moving so slow, but they've got tons of different stuff. Look at this. How cool is that hoodie, right? Or that hoodie, right? They've got some very unique stuff here that you can. Let's find some unique shirts here. That's standard fare. That's pretty standard fare. That's a cool, unique shirt. You don't see that kind of style very often, right? Let's keep going. Oh, how about this one? Camouflage shirt. So they got tons of different direct-to-garment stuff that you can actually start to push the envelope and come up with some unique product types where you can personalize. I'm going to talk about how to personalize them here in a second, but let's jump over and show the other product catalog that you can do. We'll go ahead and sublimation, okay? Sublimation. Okay. So with sublimation, guys, look at all this stuff. We got mug cups. We got beer mugs. We've got flip-flops. We got water bottles. We've got aprons, right? Baby bibs. You guys, think about this. Think about making a baby bib with a baby's name on it, for example, right? How cool would that be? Canvases to go on the wall. All this stuff can be personalized. Now, we're in the Christmas sale season. Who thinks that, for example, let's jump out to my document, right? And we're going to walk through some training on how to do this here in a second. I just dropped the coin, sorry, on the floor. Hit it off my desk there, bumped my elbow by mistake. How would you like this? Let's talk about how you can personalize. You can put someone's first name on it, right? What's everyone's favorite word in the world? James, what's everyone's favorite word? What word does everyone love?
Their name.
Their own name, exactly. So how powerful would it be to put someone's first name on there, or last name, or first name and last name, or nickname, right? We sell a lot of these personalized shirts, and very often people put their nickname on there, right? They don't actually put the real name, they put the nickname, okay? Or city, state, zip code, region, date of birth, year, graduating class, give them some other things, horoscope, or many other custom text. All right? So now that we've identified on Custom Cat, we've got literally hundreds of products we can do personalization with. The next step is how do we come up with the slogans or expressions, right? And there's many ways to do this, but the simplest way is to take existing ideas that have worked in the past and tweak them. So let's come in here and put funny dog t-shirts. Funny dog t-shirts. Click on images. I like to use dogs niche as for our training purposes because I think it's a really good niche and it's very common, right? So our goal here on this, and we're just going to spend a couple minutes doing this. I want to throw this idea to you guys is we're going to try to tweak some of these dog expressions and turn them into expressions that we can put on, I don't know, a canvas, for example, right? So let's take a look. Let's just go ahead and we'll do one at a time, right? Let's open up this. See, this one here. And we're not going to do this forever because it's more about the point rather than try to sit here and find tons of examples. My dog is cooler than your dog. Well, how can we personalize that? My dog, date of birth, year of birth, born in 2010, is cooler than your dog. Maybe not such a great idea, but that's one way you could maybe personalize it. Here we go, next one. I just want to eat cake, but you lit my food on fire. Okay, let's see here. Is there a way we can personalize that? My dog, dog's name just wants to eat cake, but you lit my food on fire. Probably not such a great one either, but I'm more about teaching you guys the point here rather than come up with 100 million great examples. Sorry, I'm late. My dog was pooping. Now, this is funny. This one is good. You can say, sorry, I'm late. My dog's name was pooping. That is actually pretty funny. And you guys know humor sells on shirts. So that could actually work. I could see that actually work. I could see that actually selling. Do one more example. Hi, can I pet your dog? I don't know how I can personalize that one. See that one? I just want in all my dogs. I just want, no, I'm not following that one. Next one. My dog's name is my co-pilot. So dog's name here is my co-pilot. I could see that. All I need is my dog's name, right? Now, yeah, what we've come up with, guys, here on this particular training may not be the greatest ideas in the universe, okay? But this concept that I taught you right now, guys, I have sold thousands and thousands of personalized products to some of my students. And guys, doing these little tweaks and these little twists, right, are all you need to come up with one winning product idea, guys. And here's the beautiful part about print on demand, okay? It takes one idea to change your life. It really does. And guys, once you have that idea, you can come in here and you can start printing up on all these different products. Look at this. Guys, I have a couple ideas I've been selling in my beer niche, and I just take them and I put them on a towel. I put them on a canvas. I put them on flip-flops. I put them on dog tags. I put them on beer mugs. I just take the same expressions over and over and over again. Look at this. Christmas ornament, guys. How cool is that, right? As you can, there's so many things you can do here. Dog tag, right? Necklaces, including the fancy shirts. Now, this may seem like a simple training, but what I just taught you is $1 million idea. It truly is $1 million idea if you just go in and implement this. Now, who thought that was pretty cool? I'm just out of curiosity. Who thought that was pretty cool? Short, sweet, but who thought that was a pretty powerful idea? Type a Y in the chat box. Me? Yes? We got a me. Anyone else? Yes, 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 sure. Is there a replay? There will be. All of Custom Cats products are shipped from the U.S. That's right. Now, guys, I'll be honest with you. You really haven't seen anything. That is just one simple idea and method. If you want a full course on how to come up with tons of winning products, right? If you want to know how to advertise, how to set up your website properly, if you want to have an entire business to build a long-term brand, you need to go and sign up for my Ecom Advantage course and mastermind. Now, I'm not going to give you some big sales pitch here. That's not the goal of these free trainings, but it's very simple. You just go to this URL right here, ecomvantage.com/VIP. And you will go to the sales page. It's $1,000 a year. That's it, guys, $1,000 a year. This one idea I taught you can make you millions of dollars. It could. I'm not saying it's going to, but it could, right? So the cost of $1,000 a year is nothing, right? You get the entire marketing system, everything you need to succeed with ecom, right? You can come check out these video testimonials. In fact, hey, James, there's a new video testimony we got to add here. The one from Jonathan I posted on Facebook the other day. You got all these things here, guys. Everything's included. Everything you need for Facebook. But, guys, even more, guys. And here's the thing I want to point out, even more. Before this webinar today, I was in this group, and I do this once or twice a week, every single week without fail. First of all, I'm in here answering questions written-wise. But, guys, the written word for answering questions, you can't get every point across, okay? You just can't. It's really difficult, right? So what I do is I do this every single week without fail, and sometimes 2 times a week, sometimes 3. This is a live stream Q&A. So I go in and I go through the group and I answer all the questions you've had through the week, through the last few days, right? Because the last time I did it. And I talk about new ideas and concepts, things to pay attention to. People ask, why are my students so successful? Why? What's the difference? And this is it. The content's amazing, but the ongoing support is what makes the difference. So you want to go to ecomvantage.com/VIP, get in today. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do something different here. The first 2 people who sign up from this webinar, whether it's live here or on the replay, the first 2 people who do that, you're also going to get a 30-minute private coaching session with me. Normally I charge $200 plus hours for coaching per hour, but you're going to get a 30-minute coaching session with me as well. So that can help propel your business for Q4. I'm doing that because I really want you to succeed in Q4, and I don't want you to hold back from this opportunity because I know, and I'm going to say this, excuse my language, but this can fucking change your life. It absolutely can. I believe that full-heartedly. I mean, I believe it fully is what I mean. Fully, I 100% believe it. Anyway, so go to ecomvantage.com/VIP. Yo, James, yep.
Hey mate, why don't you show people that article that we found on the BBC News, man?
All right, yeah, I'll show that to them. All right. So guys, if you don't believe that POD can change your life, I want to show you guys this article that James and I found. Well, actually, James found and showed it to me. It's really cool. There's James and I in Tokyo yesterday. Look at this, guys. This guy, this college kid, right? He's in college. He came up with one idea for POD, and he's now made $25,000 profit, and he's been featured on the BBC News. Okay, so
he's probably sold a boatload more.
Sorry?
He's probably sold a boatload more of them.
Yeah, I'm sure he sold more. He made 25 when this article was published, and he got tons of pre-publicity, so I'm sure he sold a boatload more. Guys, this shows you the power of just one winning idea. Now, he could take this one winning idea and do all sorts of things. Maybe personalize it, maybe put it on different products, right? There's tons of stuff you can do with this, guys. It's powerful. Okay? So, I highly recommend that you don't hesitate. I don't normally offer coaching. And as private coaching is an upsell within the course and mastermind, if you're interested in that, I basically never offer coaching as a bonus to during Ecom Vantage course and mastermind. I'm doing that today because we're in the heart of the Q4 season. I really want you to pull the trigger and make it happen for yourself, and I don't want you to hesitate. So I want to make it irresistible. So you can get full access for a year plus a 30-minute coaching session with me. All right? Now, I hope you guys, regardless of whether you join the course and mastermind, go out and take action on this idea I presented today. I bought something from you last year. Is it the same? No, I think I did a beginner course called the Top Hat Challenge, which just covered the basics of POD. This is a full-on, like, everything included, right? Basics all the way to advanced, plus the ongoing support and the mastermind. When the Top Hat Challenge didn't come with any of that. That answers that question. Any other questions? How can you get the replays? James asking for the Xmas tips. Then they go to ecomvantage.com, right? They opt in and then they can get access to all the stuff we've done in the past. Is that right?
Yeah, I'll send out an email later today or tomorrow with the replays page.
Okay. Beautiful. Any other questions? These are good questions, by the way. All right, guys. I got another call to get on, so thank you guys for being on. And, okay, one bonus is already taken. So one is already taken. So there's one remaining. You want to go to ecomvantage.com/VIP. Okay, I just put it in there again. Let me go ahead and type it in. Right, let me show you guys again. Right here, guys. ecomvantage.com/VIP. Let me go ahead and put on the spreadsheet. Not on the spreadsheet, but on the Word document, nice and big for you guys. So one has already been taken. So one more bonus remaining. And guys, seriously, this is an entire system. Everything you will ever need to know to have success with this business is taught in this course in Mastermind, plus my ongoing support. To be honest, at $1,000 a year, it's a total steal. It's a total steal. All right.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Thanks, everyone.
See you.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.